High when he near. Seek the Most 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 High when he near. Yeah. Seek the Most High. Man, we running a little hot, man. We got these chicken we about to put on. Nathia got his chicken. Ready. Season it up nicely. Throwing it on the grill, we got a little hotness going on real quick. Everybody telling us they wanted to throw it, man. You know what I'm saying? They want me to cook, so got my boy out here. Can't even see looking like a ninja out there. Praise Yah, hallelujah. But we just really just about to throw it on the grill. I don't know how. Hold your pot. So put your chicken start over there in the corner. We ain't gonna reach over there at the fire. Yeah, we about to get throwing them over now. Set them up. Got the chef on the grill. Set it up, Nathia. Ready. He undercovers a ninja. Watch out for him. I'm coming in behind you. Just put him in there, man. It's all chicken. We got a little flame going on over there, but it's all chicken. It's all love.
All love, man.
All love. And I was gonna put some deer rib up here, but my wife told me, said, you ain't burned them yet. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna say that wrong for you because it's burning a little hot over here. So what we do is we just put them side by side. Oh, shoot. I see why he got the mask on.
Ready.
It ain't for coronas. Shoot. So just breaking a little bread, put that on a little salt. And what I'm gonna do is close down from that fire down. Yo, look at my eye. Oh man, they red. Oh. They red. He out there chilling. He still ready to put the grill. Look at him. He ready to put it on the grill. Yeah, man. We out here getting it in, man. Got the light on for him. That deal like what that temp burning. That temp, it's rising. It's rising. Temp rising. We just trying to die that fire down. So okay, let me shut it off a little bit next year before we shut it off a little bit. We out here grilling. So what we doing is we having barbecue chicken. We having barbecue chicken, baked beans. Yeah, that's it. And sausages. Oh, can't forget about them sausages. Spicy. Yeah, they spicy. Got it. He ready. He still got the fork in the bowl. He was like, man, let that top up. All right, that's good. Yeah, the top shelf. This ain't no Hell's Kitchen. Brother barbecue. Brother barbecue. Man, look at that chicken, y'all. Look at that chicken. Ready. That's the hot chicken right there. And then you make it hot.
Spicy.
Make it spicy. We come around. Come around. Get it from another angle. Oh yeah, we burning right. See when it burning like this, sometimes I have to come out here and just stand with it and watch it. You know what I'm saying? Like, but hey, don't burn on me. Don't burn on me.
God, watch me.
We got one more Nathia, making sure they right enough room. So we gonna let them burn, do their thing. We also got to put some sauces on here too. Oh yeah, go slowly. Go slowly. Go back. Yeah, that's what we do. We cook it outside, not the wilderness. Hey, we got to learn these skills. I'm gonna let that down. Let that down. Nathia, you can. Let me see one of them forks that you had. Okay, we're gonna leave that right there. We're gonna open this up a little bit, let it smoke. And y'all stay tuned, we're gonna bring some more sausage to you and everything. We back out here. I don't want my chicken to burn. So I'm back out here doing my thumb. Yeah. Flipping. spicy chicken right there. There's a little complete seasoning, little paprika, brown sugar, and crushed red peppers. This is just complete seasoning, I think, and lemon pepper. Lemon pepper. You know, oh snap! I almost lost him. See, can I get them right? Them right there gonna be hot. Man, that chicken smell good. It ain't even ready. Ugh. Boy, if y'all can smell this chicken right here, this chicken, something serious. I love to cook. Teach my daughter how to cook. It's just too cold for her to come out here. You know what I'm saying? Too cold for her to there. Yeah, so that's what we do. Another update. Let's Aggie down in there. I thought he down for the onliners. Man, that chicken. I know on that chicken. I'm sorry I ain't talking, y'all. I'm trying to listen to this broadcast. But there we go, y'all. What I was doing is I was trying to get some hot dogs. I'm about to take off that chicken though. Let that cook and go get them sausages. Put them sausages on. I'm about to put these chicken and these sausages on here real quick. I'm gonna let y'all see them in a minute. Always wash y'all hands, you know what I'm saying? Especially when you're dealing with food, man. Take the grill off a little bit. So, I'm putting these sausages on here. On these sausages, I can't see up on this grill. Sausages on there. Yeah, man, I'm gonna let y'all see it in a minute. Got one hand, man, trying to do all this stuff. But yeah, just throw them on there, man. Get it ready. The chicken about to get flipped, though. The chicken gotta get flipped. It's supposed to be spicy. Spicy. Get ready to take them hot dogs off in a minute, though. But yeah, there you go. This chicken sausage is these beef, no pork. These hot dog. Let's get it. So, yeah, man.
Going on with these sausages. These sausages. I think I'm gonna take the hot dogs off and that chicken right there. Let these sausages do what they do. So ain't really I forgot about them back up in there. So I'm gonna take these hot dogs and chicken off. Not the chicken sausages. I'm gonna take these off. Might leave this one on here for a little long. Easy. Chicken on chicken. Take these hot dogs off. Take this chicken off. Sit this fork right there.
Yeah, let's get it. I'm about to
With it, man. We about to break a little bread. You know what I'm saying? Got the chicken licking right. Got the baked beans. Got the chicken. Got the chip. And we got this. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's it. We done. You know what I'm saying? We about to eat. Oh, where the bread at? You got jokes. But yeah, that's all right there. We good. Time to eat. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.